Welcome to the Need for Excel YouTube channel lesson 13. In this video lesson, I will teach you how to automatically have your sheet headers zoomed to its maximum to fit the screen width, irrespective of its screen size, when the workbook is opened. Here is my worksheet, and as you can notice, it isn't zoomed to its maximum possible. I generally prefer my headers to utilize the full screen width so that the data looks neatly arranged on the screen. I make a lot of dashboards, and I always have this little piece of code on all the dashboards that I make, because my dashboards can be viewed by many people having different screen sizes, and the dashboards can really lose charm if empty spaces are visible on the screen. First of all, to show you what I mean, select the headers. Click on the View tab and select Zoom to Selection. This is the step that we want automated when the workbook opens. Let's enter the Visual Basic Editor by using the shortkeys Alt F11. Since this event is related to the workbook, let's double click on this workbook. And from this drop-down, select Workbook again. You can see two lines of code entered automatically for you. This is a workbook open event. In simpler words, whenever this workbook is opened, this piece of code will be triggered automatically. Let's dim our only variable, LC, as integer. LC stands for last column. The next line of code will help us find the last utilized column. In this case, column I, or column number 9. LC equals this workbook dot sheets sheet1 dot cells, the first row, then columns dot count dot end excel to left dot column. This little construction will help us find the last column that is utilized by the headers. Now that we know the last column, the next line will be range cells 1, that is the row index, and the column index is again 1. This denotes range A1. Then again cells, row index will be 1 because the headers are on the first row only, and the column index number would be LC dot select. LC will have the value of 9 stored in itself, as the 9th column is the last used column. 9 is the serial number of the I column, so the above code will select the range A1 to I1. Let's debug the code till now by using the F8 key and see how the code runs step by step. It finds the last column and then selects all the headers. So the code is running as desired till now. Once the headers are selected, the below line of code will zoom it to fit the screen width. Then sheets 1 dot range A1 dot select. This will select A1 before the code ends. Let's try out the code. First of all, I'll zoom out, then save the workbook and try reopening it again. And as you can see, the headers autofit itself to the screen width. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to be notified of all the new videos that I upload. You can also check out my website www.needforexcel.com, where the exercise files will be available by clicking on the Dropbox link. I hope my video helped. Thank you.